I cannot believe what happened to Peloton and Netflix in the last 24 hours. You want to hear more about? Stick in this video, okay? Run the intro. Welcome to Crypto and Stock. My name is Hugo. I'm the host for this channel. It's a pleasure to have you guys here again. And stick to the end of the video to hear all about Peloton and Netflix. Is it a buy or is it a sell? But before I'm telling more about it, let me tell that I'm not a financial advisor. So before invest or buy or sell any stock that I'm talking about, follow up with a financial advisor, okay? Okay, so let's go over the chart of Peloton. You know, yesterday before they announced the halt, they were $31.71. And of course, they tell that they're gonna stop production. The stock goes at first to $26.58. They tried to recoup a little bit, but they could not. That was resistant and like selling pressure, and went down all the way to 24.27. And that's understandable. You know, if you invest in a company, like for example, you invest in Apple, and Apple decide I'm not selling iPhones, and I'm not making more iPhones, I'm not making MacBooks, I'm not make iWatch, nothing. I'm stop all the production. I have too much in stock, and I'm not selling. What do you think? Oh, that sucks. So you start selling everything, and that's what the market did. You know, the market, like, I do not believe in Peloton anymore. You know, like a year and a half ago, they did believe. Look here, in December, $162, and then it was slowed down. So basically, Peloton is the same price as the IPO. You know, we are by $2. So my opinion, unfortunately, Peloton, if I own any Peloton, I'll be selling. I will not. I think this is a sink boat. It might go up again. I'm not a financial advisor, so don't take my opinion as the truth. But it is cheap right now, kind of, as long as they sell. But if they didn't talk about like stop production, yeah, I could continue believing this stock. But I don't think they're doing too well. So that's my opinion about Peloton, and unfortunately, I'm sorry, Peloton. Good bike, good equipment. If you own one, probably you love it, but it's just not a buy for me right now. So now let's talk about Netflix. Netflix reported a lower than projected subscribe addition in the last quarter of 2021. You know, and it's such a small margin. They had predicted around 22 point some millions, and they went 222 millions, and they had 221.6 million. I know it was not that much. So, but what did I say a few days ago? The market is looking this much to slam dunk you. Like, if you have a stock and you don't do perfectly, you'll be losing money. Your stock will go down. Investors have been worried about Netflix downgrade from 4 million to 2.5 million subscribers in the first quarter of 2022. So, of course, Netflix is realistic. They don't want to go on a high number. They want to go on a number that they think they're going to get it. And if they go above, it's better. But right now, telling that in the first quarter of 2022 that they don't have the numbers yet, they don't want to go to the 4.5 million the analysts want. They want a safer number. But this creates chaos on the market. And they like, oh, you don't want to go with the analysts, Wall Street analysts, so this means you don't believe you're going to do good. So that's why the stocks are coming down again, and coming down rough. You know, it doesn't matter the revenue has grew year after year. The retention engagement has increased year after year. This all doesn't matter. Stocks of Netflix right now is $398.07. If you just give an idea, yesterday if it comes up, yesterday at 4 o'clock was $508. That's $100 less. In the last 5 days, Netflix has lost 23%. That's crazy. I have Netflix, and probably a lot of you guys have Netflix. It's a great platform. There's a lot of shows, movies. It is solid. I don't know why drop that much. And as well, analysts, there's many that don't agree with that much drop, 20%. So to me, Netflix, I'm thinking about buying. Netflix because I think, I have the projections here. I'm gonna put on the screen. Okay, let's go over the price of Netflix. Look at this. In the last 5 days, it's down 23%. And this happened yesterday when the numbers came out. The stocks came down from $508 all the way to $386 or $384. That's crazy. That is crazy. They didn't miss the number by that much. They missed just by a little bit. But now Netflix is recouped a little bit, after market, the beginning of the day went down all the way to 380 and it's going up to 400. I believe, and let's see what the analysts say. Look here, let me move my face. The analysts put it as a moderate buy. The price is, the predictions, the average is 528. That's 31% up. You can go as high as 800 and the average 528 and the lowest 342. It's crazy. It's a buy for me. I'm not a financial advisor, so don't buy because I'm telling, but there's no way in hell that Netflix should have the price being slammed. This is because this crash on the market. This is because the fear in the market. Is because all this crap thing that's going out there in the market that they look any small reason to slam a stock. So you know what? That's good. If you have money and you follow up with your advisor and you did your study and you feel like buying, I think that's a bargain. I think it is a good buy. And I might buy Netflix. I might put it on my portfolio. I might buy today. I might buy $50. And I'm not rich, so I cannot buy a lot. But M1 Finance, you can buy partial shares. So I put it at $50 or $100 and I can get what? I can get 30% or maybe more. So yes, I'm angry. I'm angry with this market that it kind of it slammed every stock that doesn't hit a perfect market. It's profitable. It has revenue growing every year after year. So if you're scared, that's fine. I understand. You want to pull your money. I thought about pull all my money out of the stocks, but I'm not doing that. And I'm gonna continue buying the dip. When other people are fearful, be greedy. That's what Warren Buffett said, and that's what I'm gonna do it. Okay? Sorry about my angerness. Well, I had a little technical problem, but I'm getting that fixed. So it's a little different view of my place here. But thank you so much for watching the video. If you see any value, please subscribe down here and press the like button, put a comment, let me know how I'm doing. I know I was a little bit angry today, but it's just a crazy day at the market. I believe in the American economy, and I want so bad to all of us to start making more money. And whenever I see some stocks being wiped out like it is, it's hard. So have a great day. Thank you so much.